In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update a Samsung phone. Updating your phone is an essential task. It ensures you have the latest features and security enhancements. Let's get started. First, connect to Wi-Fi. This is important because updates can be large files. Using Wi-Fi helps you avoid using your mobile data. On your phone, swipe down from the top to access the Quick Settings panel. Locate the Wi-Fi icon and tap it to turn it on. If you are already connected to a network, you're good to go. If not, select your Wi-Fi network from the list. Enter the password if prompted. You will see the connection icon appear in the status bar, confirming you are online. With your phone connected to Wi-Fi, you are set for the next steps. Now, let's check the battery level. Tap on Settings, then scroll down to find Battery. It is crucial for your phone's battery to be at least 50% charged before starting the update. This ensures your phone has enough power to complete the update process without interruptions. If your battery is low, consider plugging your phone into a charger. You want to avoid any issues that may arise from an unexpected shutdown during the update. Once you confirm the battery is sufficient, you're ready to move on. Next, open Settings again. You can find the Settings app on your home screen or in the app drawer. Once you tap on it, you will see a list of options related to your phone's configuration. This is where you manage everything from your display settings to your connectivity options. It's important to familiarize yourself with this area of your phone because you will use it often for various adjustments. Now let's proceed to find the Software Update section. Tap on Software Update. You will find this option towards the bottom of the Settings menu. This section is vital as it is where you can check for the latest updates for your device. By keeping your software updated, you can enhance your phone's performance and security. After tapping Software Update, give your phone a moment to check for updates. Wait while your phone checks for updates. This may take a few moments. It is essential to be patient during this process. Your phone is communicating with the servers to see if any updates are available. If updates are found, you will see a notification. This means you are ready to enhance your phone's capabilities. If an update is available, tap Download or Install Now. This will start the download process. Your phone may show a progress bar indicating how much of the update has been downloaded. This step is crucial as it initiates the actual update process. Once the download is complete, you will receive further instructions. Follow the on-screen instructions. These prompts will guide you through the installation process. It is important to read the instructions carefully to ensure a smooth update. Your phone may ask you to confirm that you want to proceed with the installation. This is a standard procedure to make sure you are ready for the changes that will take place. Finally, wait for the phone to restart and complete the update. This can take several minutes. Your phone will automatically reboot to finalize the installation of the new software. It is essential to give it time to complete this process. Once your phone is back on, you will see the updated software version. You have now successfully updated your Samsung phone. Enjoy your enhanced device and all the new features that come with it.